Hey guys, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. And thank you, Jewel, for speaking on the phone with me earlier, giving me permission to send you guys this video. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you guys are busy running the business. I just wanted to show you some tips and tricks on how to increase your online presence and your online relevance, okay? And you're probably wondering why I would even make a video like this for you guys. I've learned quickly that there's too many plumbing companies out there and their owners that are just way too busy running the business to realize how much the internet and their website can bring them even more of that business. Okay, so I'm going to talk about three things today. The first thing we're going to talk about is content. The second thing is backlinks. And then lastly, we're going to talk about citations. Okay, now if you don't know what those things are, no worries. I'm going to break them all down for you. Okay, so first things first. As I was kind of fiddling around with your website, I did notice that it was super easy to navigate. I didn't have any problems when clicking any of the links or anything like that. I did all this before, starting to film the video, just to kind of see where you guys were at. And I really appreciated the pictures of your jobs here. The jobs that you guys have done. It builds trust and showing, you know what, these guys really know what they're doing. So that's good to see. Now, unfortunately, Google cares more about content than anything else, okay? As far as the website is concerned, okay? They want to see that your website has content, that your website has keywords. So if I were to, and content, by the way, is just basically words on your homepage here, okay? So I'm going to highlight all the words here on your homepage. Hopefully I can get them all. Yeah, okay, I did. Cool. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it here on my word counter just to kind of see where you guys are at, okay? Google counts an authoritative website to have anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage alone, okay? So putting you guys up to at least 1,000 would be the first thing that I would tell you guys. The first tip that I would give you is to ensure that you have enough words on that homepage, okay? It would make you more visible. It would definitely give you guys more eyes on your webpage, and Google would find it easier to find you, right? They have these things called crawlers, which are little robots that go out and crawl all these pages because they're trying to see which website is going to answer the question that people that are looking to pay their money for services to find, right? So I would definitely recommend upping your word count, and then also using keywords like plumbers Bradenton, right? Which how I plugged in here, and this is how I found you guys. Found you guys way down here, like in the third or fourth page of Google, and we'll talk about that later. Okay. So the second thing I want to talk to you guys about are citations, or excuse me, not citations, backlinks. Now, I went on ahead and typed in your URL into my tool over here. This tool is called Ahrefs, and basically it's a paid tool considering I am in the industry, but it allows me to see what's going on in the background of your website, okay? Now, there are other tools out there that you can use that if you just Googled backlink checker free or keyword researcher for free, things like that, and you can see basically what I'm seeing here. Now, now Ahrefs kind of pulls back the curtain and it allows me to see what's going on in the background. It kind of breaks down some analytics, some stats for me so I can see exactly what's going on, okay? Now, according to my tool here, you've got 14 referring domains. Now, what those are just 14 other websites that are pushing traffic to your website. They're linking to you in some way, okay? Now, they're doing that 65 times. This is what backlinks mean, okay? These 14 different websites are linking to you 65 times, okay? That's bringing you a total of 13 people to visit your website per month and bringing you a total of $93 in website traffic, okay? Or excuse me, traffic value, okay? Now, I went on ahead and did the same thing to your competitors, okay? Just so you can see the comparison on how they're beating you on Google and getting all those phone calls and essentially closing all those deals, right? So I went on ahead and did the same thing to Ben Franklin Bros. They were number one in the organics and the map pack here, okay? So I'm coming over here to them, and you see that they have 34 referring domains, okay, which is, you know, more than you, at least 20 more than you, and 151 backlinks. They have a total of 177 people visiting their website per month on average, and bringing them a total of $1,600 in traffic value. Okay, that's a huge difference, and what that tells me is that there's a lot of money that you're leaving on the table for Ben Franklin Bros Plumbing to take, right? They're basically taken from you because your website isn't optimized for that. So now what I would do is I would look through these backlinks and these referring domains to see which ones are quality, because I do got to tell you that not all backlinks are created equal. Okay, some backlinks are not that great. They don't hold as much power because Google knows that you're not a restaurant. They know that you're not an Arby's or anything like that, right? They know that you're a plumbing company, so they want to see other backlinks or other websites, I should say, pushing traffic to you or linking to you that are relevant to what you do. Okay, so now as I said, it kind of, so Google is a popularity contest, okay, and they want to see other websites that are relevant to what you do, pushing traffic to you, saying like, you know what, these guys are trustworthy, these guys are relevant, and it definitely increases your visibility, okay, on Google. Now I'm pretty sure you can hear my toddler back there. He's in his walker and he's not having the greatest of time, so I'm going to try and finish this video quicker, okay? Now, lastly, the last thing I want to talk to you about today, oh, actually, I should tell you about the backlinks really quick, is that if they're good enough to rank your competitors, they're good enough to rank you, okay? So doing the research and seeing where they're getting their linking from would definitely benefit you guys, okay? That would put you guys over the top in Bradenton, okay? Now, the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about are citations. Now, citations are just anywhere that you can find your business name, phone number, and address on a directory, okay? And a directory is, you can do Yelp, you've got Home Advisor, you've got white pages, yellow pages, and you've also got like Angie's List. So all those, just off the top of my head, are a quick list of directories that you can put your business on, and that would increase your citation list, okay? Now, this is how you land up here in the map pack with citations, okay? Having more citations than your competitors is how you land up here and how you're able to be seen a lot more locally. Now, there are also directories that are local to your area, okay? Numerous. And all you would have to do is see where Ben Franklin Bros Plumbing is getting their citations from, and you would just want to use them as your own as well, okay? So if they have anywhere between 75 to 100 different citations, well, then I would want to one-up them, right, to 150 or 200, just to ensure that you're constantly staying at number one here on the map pack. And if I'm completely honest with you, this is where all the traffic goes, right? This is where most people go to find their stuff. Now, most people don't go down here to the third or fourth page of Google, which is where I found you guys, to find what they're looking for. Usually they trust the map pack, right, just like me. So you're probably wondering where to go from here, right? So you have two paths to take, right? Two possible paths. So the first one is that you can take all this information and utilize it yourself, right? Ensure that you have enough words on your homepage, ensuring that you have at least 1,000 to make sure that you're visible on Google, ensuring that you can copy the backlinks by doing the research and seeing which backlinks are quality so that you can use them as your own so that you can rank on top of your competitors. And then lastly is doing the same thing with the citations, right? Doing the research and seeing exactly where Ben Franklin Bros is getting their citations from and using them as your own so that you can take this number one spot, increasing the number of calls you have, increasing the number of calls that are incoming into your business, increasing the amount of clients that you have, and essentially, right, bring in more money, right? So, and secondly, if you're like any of my other clients that reach out to me and say, you know what, Jesus, I actually do need some guidance in this area. I would love to see what you have. This is just a free attack plan for you guys, okay? If you're needing some help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me and I can see what I can do to help you, okay? If not, that's completely fine. I'd be more than happy to just give you this information for free so that you can do it yourself. Again, thank you so much, guys, for your time, and I appreciate you. Thank you. You guys have a great day.